DIOnavi Full Arch is unlike anything else in the marketplace. Not only does it make the implant placements easy through a guided process, but your prosthetic process is going to be exponentially easier. We're super excited to be working with Patterson Dental as one of our trusted distributors for DIO and the DIOnavi system. So in addition to DIOnavi, the next level in the product offering is the DIOnavi Full Arch. DIOnavi Full Arch is built on the same system that we use with DIOnavi, in that it's a digitally planned guided implants placement system, but this is designed specifically for full arch restoration in an all-on-X capacity.
They turn a very complex full arch case into a simplified procedure that you follow a specific protocol.
With DIOnavi Full Arch, you simply upload your images, your 3D images, photographs of the patient, and a digital intraoral impression, and we digitally plan out the fixed all-on-X treatment for you ahead of time. When you approve that case, we're going to send you back the DIOnavi Full Arch case in a box. It has all of the components you need to go ahead and do the DIOnavi Full Arch treatment.
I get one box that has everything in it. It's super organized, and for me that's a big deal. When my assistants can lay it all out ahead of the surgery, I can walk in and know that every ingredient's there. There's nothing missing. It's all going to be there to put it together. I'm not going to have to run out of the room and go find things.
There's no need to have a lab person in your office to convert the dentures or convert your provisionals when you do the surgery. There's no need to coordinate complex cases necessarily with other specialists. You can do all of it in your office with your clinical staff in a surprisingly short period of time.
Every time I get done with surgery and I'm ready to hook up my fixed temporary, things have fit like a glove. Everything lines up because of their workflow, because of their accuracy.
The patient walks out with those temporary teeth just how you imagined them, and they're happy with them.
Most of our clinicians are doing a full arch of case treatment with implant placements, the placement of the multi-unit, multi-angle abutments, and a fixed provisional in place within a couple of hours. It's a true game changer. And since everything's digital, it makes it very easy to move on to the next step in the prosthetic process. Very easily, very effectively.
The best part I would say about this workflow with Full Arch, where it gets really exciting, is after surgery, the restorative workflow is all digital. The communication to the lab is seamless. The workflow is constant communication where we're on the same page as we're designing teeth and modifying things. Bite registrations are a piece of cake.
DIOnavi is unique in that when you place the provisional prosthetic at the time of surgery, we already have all of the digital files that we need to go to the next phase. That means that no matter what happens, we're ready to progress. Anything from the patient breaking the provisional, we have an exact digital copy, we can just make another one. If you want to make some slight changes, you just simply let us know what changes you want to make, and we always know what the starting point is and the next step.
The stress level in providing full mouth reconstructions using their DIO Full Arch workflow is at an all-time low.
DIOnavi Full Arch is definitely, again, another game changer. It's something that you should use in your practice. It'll make your life easier, it makes your patients happier, and the clinical outcomes are outstanding.
If you're doing full arch implantology, if you're not really impressed with your workflow, with your system, with your outcomes, I'd invite you to look into DIOnavi. I think they have a really clever solution, and they're constantly, even today, working on improvement and enhancement to make it even better for us and our patients.